Hey everybody. So I wanted to get this haul out of the way because I have a shipment coming in and I have canning videos I want to get out to you. So I want to do this so I can free up some kitchen space and get this organized and put away. And that's quite a feat these days. So where do we start? So if you can chicken legs or chicken thighs, get you some shake and bakes, and that's another way that you can cook those canned chicken legs. So I got some shake and bake. I got 2 iodized salts and 2 plain salts. And the other 2 are over here. I got a 4-pack of some Wolf brand chili, even though I canned my own chili. This was cheap and easy. I got 4 boxes of matches. I got some garlic for planting, so I'll be planting that this weekend. I got another box of canning salt. You want to make sure you have your canning supplies. And then I saw this pad thai instant type ramen, and I figure if you've been watching for a while, you know I I don't sprout, but the sprouts. Make some sprouts or grow some sprouts and try this instant pad thai and add whatever else you want to it, and I thought it looked interesting, so I got that to try. I tried these the last time I got ramen, and if you go out for Chinese food and stuff, you know they use oyster sauce in a lot of the cooking, and this is that flavor of ramen. So I got 2 more of those. I also tried these the last time. It's a spicy chicken soy sauce ramen noodle, and they were really good. So I got 2 more of those. And then I've been eating this for years. It's called Clean and Spicy, and it's just mildly spicy chicken ramen, and it's really good. So if you have any Asian stores around you, or even in the Asian section at the grocery store, look for some of these different flavored ramens besides just the top ramen. Some of them are really good. You get more noodles, so you end up full. I mean, these are really good noodles. That's all I can say. They're really good. And then I came across this Nashville hot seasoning, so I thought that would be kind of cool to have on hand for SHTF recipes with your canned chicken legs or chicken thighs or what have you, or even your fresh chicken in the freezer. So I'm gonna try and make my own Nashville hot fried chicken. And then I got some of these Danish butter cookies. These are really inexpensive, and I like the tins. They're handy for when you finish your cookies, and these will keep a good long time until you open them. And then even after you open them, you could separate them and seal and meal them, or vacuum seal them in a jar, and they'll keep for a very long time. And then I got these jars just because they were really cute. So got those mason jars. What are they? It says they're pints. So they're just cute pint jars. And then this isn't food related, but I got some warm jammies these are. This pair is like a leggings, the long underwear kind of type of material. I got those. And then I got 2 shirts, a black one and one that matches the breeches. And then I got these flannel bottoms. So I have 2 different bottoms, 2 different tops. And then I got some matching socks. And these were all on sale, excuse me, at Old Navy with their early Black Friday sale. So I want to be ready if winter does what it did last year, with some warm, cozy clothes. And then I got this battery charger. These are a lot cheaper, the Amazon Basics, than the, what's the one, that Energizer? And I believe they are interchangeable with the Energizer. So if you have the Energizer batteries, which I do, I also have their charger. You can use that with your, you know, if you lose power and you need to charge your batteries, you can use your Jackery or whatever. And then I got some Aaa rechargeable batteries. It's rechargeable, will last you longer than the regular ones. When you run out of regular ones, you're going to need something. Been there, done that. And then I got 2 packages of the Aaa, and there's 16 of these, and I think 12 of the other one. Yeah, 12 AAAs and 16 AAs. So that is my little haul for today. So I'm going to put all of this away so we can do some canning and extract videos this weekend. So I will have those coming up this week. So yeah, just thought I'd share some of my new favorite ramens and a new one to try. If you like pad thai and you see this around, give it a try. You can go on Ramen Mall, M-A-L-L, ramenmall.com, or what's the other one? I can't remember the other one's name. If you remind me, I will put it in the description down below. Oh, and I forgot the box right here. That box is a box of Knorr sides, and it is 8 packages of the stroganoff. So you could just add a can or a jar of your home canned beef to that and make a meal out of it. So I got a box of the Knorr side stroganoff. But yeah, try some of these different ramens, see if you like them. You can always doctor them up, add stuff to them, your canned mushrooms, green onions, regular onions, potatoes, carrots, bok choy, whatever you've grown or have around, and spice them up. So anyways, I will see you all soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.